Let's see how to write Epsilon in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are many ways that you can write Epsilon in Microsoft Word. First off is by inserting it as a symbol. So click on Insert tab. Now click on Symbol right here and click on More Symbols to open up the entire list. Now make sure that your subset is set to Greek and Coptic. And simply scroll down a bit and you should see the Epsilon letter right here. Now to insert that into your document, simply click on Insert. And as you can see right here, we have our Epsilon symbol ready. Now, another way that you can do this is by typing in this code 03B5 and by clicking Alt X on your keyboard. And that should also transform into the Epsilon symbol. And lastly, you can use the equation function embedded in Microsoft Word. So click on Equation, still under the Insert tab. Now, you can look for the Epsilon symbol if you open up this list right here of equation symbols. And the Epsilon symbol is this one right here. And if you click on that, you'll notice that you now have an Epsilon symbol as well. And lastly, what you can do is if you have the mathematical functions enabled outside equation field, is simply type in this code \var epsilon or \epsilon. And that is how you can write Epsilon in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.